Evidence viewing access is governed primarily by the portal's settings. That makes it easy for users to set up access at the portal level so that they do not have to worry about the security and privacy of the uploaded evidence. However, there may be occasions when you would prefer to define unique accessibility permissions for each evidence. You can enable courts, officers, lawyers, investigators, and other relevant stakeholders in the criminal justice system to access evidence while protecting your evidence from any unauthorized access. In this video, we will be looking at sharing evidence with internal and external audiences. Vidismo DEM provides you the functionality to assign the license to internal and external portal users to view the evidence with unlimited access, duration of allowed access, and the number of allowed views. To share evidence with specific users and groups, select the evidence and click on Settings from the Overflow menu. From the Access Settings tab, click on Specific Viewers and Groups, and this brings up text input fields to search for viewers and groups. These fields allow you to enter a keyword to search for specific users or groups. The entered search term pulls up users or groups that match the keyword or part of the keyword. Select the users and groups in the text input field with whom you want to share the evidence. Optionally, you can also assign a password to the evidence. In this case, the selected users will be required to contact portal managers for the password to access the evidence. Once you are done making your selection, click on the Save and Close button to save your settings. Alternately, to remove users and groups from the list, simply click on the cross icon against the respective user or group. The Save and Close button act as a trigger to send out emails to the selected users and those users in the selected group. Vidismo's limited sharing feature allows managers and moderators to share evidence with external viewers who are not registered in the portal with their email addresses. In this way, evidence is shared with anyone giving them limited or controlled access or have the evidence disabled at any time. External viewers also receive an email message, however they are required to complete the registration process to proceed. To share evidence with external viewers, select the evidence and click on Settings from the Overflow menu. From the Sharing tab, click on Share. Choose from a variety of options such as specific viewers or groups, external viewers, or anyone with a link. Selecting the Specific Viewers and Groups option loads text input fields to search for users and groups inside the portal. Selecting the External Viewers option enables an email text input field to allow you to enter comma-separated email addresses of external viewers. Once external viewers receive the link, they will have to register in a public portal to access the evidence. Anyone with a link option allows anyone with a link to access the evidence. Allowed views allows you to set the number of times the evidence can be played, limited or unlimited. In the case of limited access, you can provide the number of times a viewer will be able to play back the evidence. Using from and to dates, to the hour and minutes, allows you to define the period over which a viewer will have access to the evidence. Once you are done, click on Save Changes to proceed. By the way, when you share the evidence using anyone with a link option, you will not be able to control the accessibility of evidence based on duration and number of views. Anyone with the shared link will have unlimited access to the said evidence. From the portal's homepage, click on the evidence you wish to share. From the playback page, click on the share icon and then click on the mail icon to share evidence via mail. Once you have clicked on the mail icon, a default window of the installed mailing application will open on the desktop. You can add a custom message with your mail and click on the send button. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of the other guides to learn more about Vidismo digital evidence management. Stay tuned until next time.